What is a HIQA inspection? We visit the homes that people with a disability live in. This is called an inspection. An inspection helps HIQA find out if you are getting good support. It tells us if your house is following the regulations or rules and the standards. The law has a set of rules that residential centres for people with a disability need to follow. These are called regulations. There are also standards which residential services have to meet. The standards explain what a service should be doing to meet your needs. For some inspections, you will know we are coming. This is called an announced inspection. For other inspections, you will not know we are coming. This is called an unannounced inspection. When visiting your home, a HIQA inspector will meet with you and the staff and look around your house to ensure that you are safe and your rights are respected. For example, he might check that you are protected from the risk of fire. The inspector will look at folders with information about the house and the staff. The inspector does this to make sure you are getting a good service all of the time. If you have any questions, you can speak with your support staff. After an inspection, we will write a report. It shows what we saw and found on the inspection. You will be able to see the report when it is finished. It will be on the HIQA website, www.hiqa.ie, or you can ask the person in charge of your house to give you a copy.